plumber chasing an invoice they sent 2 weeks ago. A florist with 3 no-shows and 0 deposits collected. It's a familiar scenario for many, but here's the thing. Both of these businesses could have already been paid on their website. They just didn't realize how easy it could be. In fact, with Airo AI Builder, it only takes a few minutes to connect your website to Stripe, a provider trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. This lets you immediately take payments via credit and debit card, as well as Apple and Google Pay. No awkward follow-ups, no panicking over late payments, and no complicated checkouts. Customers select your services, pay, and they're done. You don't need to code, no installations. You can just set everything up in one conversation. Start by telling Airo that you want to set up Stripe. Try to be specific though, so that Airo can tailor it to your services. Airo will then ask you to confirm your location before getting to work. After a few minutes, Airo will give you a sandbox Stripe account, along with a test payment card, so that you can play around with it first. It's always good to test, right? Once you're happy with everything, you'll need to set up or sign in to your actual Stripe account to start taking real payments. Don't worry, you'll have 7 days to do this, so make sure you save the link. And that's it. Now you can accept payments for virtually anything. Taking donations, collecting deposits, selling tickets, the choice is yours. Even if you need recurring payments or subscriptions, Airo's got your back. For example, let's say you're a florist who offers monthly subscription boxes for seasonal flowers. Tell Airo that you want options for repeat payments, and it'll take care of the rest. You don't even need to type your prompts. You can just talk to Airo, even if you're starting from scratch. Watch. Build a website for florists called What Incarnation with services in Austin. I want a vibrant color scheme. I want a list of services with prices and online booking options. I also want to set up Stripe so that I can sell basic and premium subscriptions. No wonder so many of our customers are raving about Airo. Your website should do more than just look good. It should help you make money. Try Airo AI Builder for yourself and see what you can make.